Meet Naven's ProView S3, the next generation 3-axis gimbal for smartphone that helps you capture memorable moments in vivid clarity and stunning cinematic footage, removing any shakiness in video recording. ProView S3 brings high-quality video stabilization for smartphone at an affordable price, turning any smartphone into professional video shooting equipment, making casual video recording more appealing than ever before. With ProView S3, you can be a microfilm director, recording and sharing the world around you. ProView S3 is easy to use. The one-button design for joystick and control is simple and elegant. The joystick allows full control of the shooting angle for perfect panning and tilting motions. Short-clicking the button, different modes of operation can be toggled: full lock mode, follow pan mode, follow tilt mode, and full follow mode. Equipped with high-torque brushless motors and advanced dual inertial measurement units, ProView S3 delivers state-of-the-art camera stabilization performance. Its powerful design is an ideal match for the latest large-size and high-resolution smartphones. Imagine what you can do with ProView S3 and a 4K phone.
Imagine you have super smooth, super steady footage anytime you're filming. This is what LUUV stands for. With LUUV, we want to revolutionize the way you film. Every one of us has an HD camera in their pocket, but in the end, something's missing to film like a pro, and that is SolidLUUV. The world's first all-in-one camera stabilizer. SolidLUUV works with all camera models, be it an action camera, a smartphone, or a compact digital camera weighing up to 500 grams. The patented technology behind SolidLUUV allows us to separate the movement of the hand from the camera. So your hand is shaking, but the camera is not. SolidLUUV is the camera stabilizer for everyone. You don't need any experience or professional filming background. Just click in your camera, start filming, and end up with super steady footage every time. We wanted every part of SolidLUUV to be as simple as possible. With the plug-and-play feature, you can set up SolidLUUV in no time. The up and down feature allows you to turn SolidLUUV by 180 degrees, which enables you to shoot super close to the ground. We partnered up with some of the best German high-tech manufacturers, so we are aware of every production step and guarantee you the best possible product. Together with our industrial designers, we designed SolidLUUV to be both functional and robust, and with an overall sleek-looking design. We designed SolidLUUV to be modular, which means you can combine it with our electronic stabilization module. This combination is called UltraLUUV, the world's first 2x 3-axis camera stabilizer. The combination of mechanical and electrical technology is the ultimate stabilization.
More than a year ago, we had an idea. What if you could create beautiful and engaging videos without expensive gear? That idea became Vimble S. Attach it to any smartphone to transform shaky footage into smooth and dynamic shots. We designed Vimble S so that anyone can use it, but with the features that even professionals can appreciate, giving everyone the power to create and express themselves like never before. Vimble S puts controls at your fingertips that let you change your video's exposure, zoom, focus, and white balance, all without touching your phone, so you can get your shot just right. Take an everyday moment and record it with beautiful cinematic quality. Then edit and share it with just one tap. Live streaming mode makes it easier to record with the world watching. Let Vimble S be your personal cameraman with face tracking that automatically follows your movement. Take the best photos you've ever shot with your smartphone using Vimble's automated panorama, or make epic time lapses effortlessly. We've teamed up with one of the best gimbal manufacturers, Feiyu Tech, to ensure the highest quality possible. Now we need your support to begin production of Vimble S and start shipping. Join our campaign to help us get Vimble S in the hands of creators everywhere.
This thing's cool. I mean, it's so stable. It's pretty rad.
Hi, I'm Didrik from FlowMotion. It's hard to capture smooth video using your smartphone. We've all been there. The camera is so good that you can make a Hollywood movie with this thing. But your phone is almost impossible to hold steady. And that's why we have developed FlowMotion ONE, the world's most versatile smartphone stabilizer. Developed by engineers and athletes, but made for everyone. ONE keeps your phone steady even when you're not, and enables you to capture smooth cinematic videos with your smartphone. ONE is compact. You can take off the grip, fold it together and fit it in your pocket. And ONE works even without the grip, allowing you to attach it to any camera and GoPro mount. With the power of your smartphone, ONE becomes a lot more than just a stabilizer. In the FlowMotion app, we built in advanced tracking technology so it automatically follows any object, a person, or even yourself. Create stunning motion time-lapses, create amazing panorama photos, live stream your moments directly to Facebook or YouTube, or even make cinematic Snapchat and Instagram stories. ONE is super easy to use. Just slide in your phone and with one click, you're ready to go.
Zhiyun Smooth series has been highly pursued and admired since released. With Smooth, many people record their own life by shooting smooth videos. The Smooth-II seek for breakthrough based on excellent performance. Aluminum alloy material, lasting process, luxury appearance, comfortable hand feeling. For drop resistance, we designed magnet steel integration included bottom, motors, horizontal arm, and smartphone mount. The high temperature curing makes the material more rigid. Now with 4K smartphones bringing up, imaging world has been greatly changed. With Smooth-II, we are able to shooting amazing videos anytime, anywhere. R&D by Zhiyun, the honeycomb core arrhythmic, fast attitude control, and efficient motor control technology makes it possible for Smooth-II to reach industry's highest standard of noise reduction. Even the frame is enlarged 5 times, you will never notice the shaking. The special design, the Zhiyun camera app, makes it easy to operate camera by pressing power button and by pushing the shifter lever. Quick setting focus, shutter and shooting, switching between front and main camera, switching photo and video mode. This is so convenient that you can immediately switch to front camera for a beautiful selfie when traveling. Brand new functions, for example, pan axis 360 degrees unlimited rotation and free switch to vertical mode, will help a lot if you are a talent for live show. Simply keep perfect panoramic view under vertical shooting mode. Using the classic stepless rotational joystick, you can handle everything within fingertip. Easy work, easy fun. Smooth-II. Delight yourself. Direct the life.
In November 2015, Feiyu Tech launched the G4 Pro smartphone handheld gimbal in Apple stores around the globe. It leads the world's trend of handy phone stabilizers that allow for one-handed operation. Users can create steady, smooth, and high-quality 4K videos with their phones. Splendid moments and ingenious creativities are recorded more easily than ever. Today, we will introduce the latest smartphone handheld gimbal, the Feiyu Tech SPG. Symbolic full aluminum alloy body with advanced surface processing enables unprecedented comfort. With only 350 gram net weight, the SPG is perfect for long-time one-handed holding. An adjusting knob on the motor arm replaces conventional counterweights and caters for phones of all weights and sizes through a tool-less sliding motor arm. The evolved anti-shake algorithm and upgraded battery set extend the SPG's runtime up to 8 hours. An industry-leading stamina. Setting gravity center for your phone is simple as loosening the knob, sliding the motor arm to find the perfect balance, and tightening the knob. With the new design that enables larger mounting capacity, you can actually add accessories to your phone to make even better shots. Switching between modes and changing camera directions can be accessed with the function button and joystick on the handle. The SPG also allows for vertical screen gesture. You can film or make live video with it. Tilt your phone over 55 degrees to either side for 2 seconds to enable vertical screen mode. The large threshold keeps it away from accidental activation. The SPG can connect to your phone via Bluetooth. Once connected, you can control your phone's shutter with the shutter button on the handle. The newly released Feiyu ONE app provides various features such as remote control, configuration, and firmware update. Let's see how the SPG works. The foldable SPG can perfectly fit in your backpack. The intuitive user interface is friendly for users of all ages. The handle is covered with a silica material. It's comfortable, even after a whole day's grip. During filming, you can charge the SPG with your power bank through its built-in USB port. unlimited applications, and wide accessory compatibility create enormous room for your imagination. Everyone can find his unique way to realize their ideas with the SPG.
I choose to make every second matter, to capture every moment. The Osmo Mobile takes the shake away from my video, so I never have to worry about losing a memory. All I need to do is snap in my phone. I share rare moments live to inspire friends back home. When making new friends, I want to be in the scene. The Osmo Mobile automatically tracks me, so I never miss a moment. Creating motion time lapses has never been so easy. I can shoot a perfect panorama. There's a great quote. We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. So don't let life pass you by. Follow your passion, live, start telling your story, and be an inspiration.